Hello people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie. Please subscribe, like and share if you're just tuning in for the first time, and for returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. Thank you all. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I was able to tie this gele. If this video helps you in any way, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. I love you guys so much. So the first thing I did was to fold the edges of her gele, and then I made about 4 pleats on her head before I traced the pleats down towards her neck area. The rule for this particular gele today is 50-50. The both hands have to be equal. The both hands of your gele have to be equal if you want to tie this gele. And then this gele I'm using today is a very long gele. I had to join 2 geles together to give me a very good length. And then once your gele is long, you'll be able to get the twisted part, which is the one in front of the head. But if your gele is not long, I don't think you'll be able to do this with the same gele at all. So you have to have a very good length of your gele. Your gele has to be lengthy. So I just twisted the gele towards the front and the side of her head. I took it towards the back and also brought it towards the front again. Once you've brought your gele to the front, after making the twist, once you've brought your gele to the front, you discover that the both hands are now 50-50. But before bringing it to the front, one hand has to really be longer than the other hand so that you can get that twist and so that you can go around her head 2 times. So once you've done that, you will discover that your gele is now 50-50. It will be the same length with the other one she is holding right now. So I'm done bringing my gele to the front. All I'll have to do next is to make sure that I make pleats with this hand of the gele I'm using right now. So guys, I had to sew the side of her gele, the pleated one, with the twisted part of her gele, so that the gele does not keep jumping and removing. That's why if you noticed, when I was making the pleats, she was holding the side of her gele, that's the pleated part, so that it does not keep jumping and jumping. So in order for the gele not to misbehave, I just had to sew it so that it does not keep removing. So I'm done making pleats with this hand of her gele. All I'm going to do next is to make sure that I arrange the pleats properly, and I'm just going to make sure that the pleats are well laid. The gele on my thumbnail is actually bigger than the one I'm using right now, so many factors contributed to the pleats being this small. But if you have a very big gele, you can make more pleats than what I did just now. So I'm done making the pleats. I'm just going to twist the remaining part of her gele towards the back of her neck. As you can see, my gele is still very long. It can still go like 2 times, but I'm not going to go 2 times this time around. I'm just going to twist the remaining part of her gele. I'm going to twist it, take it towards the back, and I'm also just going to sew it instead of pinning it, so that I'm really sure that the gele is secured. But you can pin it if you want. It all depends on what you want. There's just no rule to this gele at all. So for this part of her gele, I'm just going to be doing the same thing I did with the first hand of her gele. I'm just going to make pleats. You really have to take your time in doing this so that this really comes out nice and beautiful. If you're going to be tying this gele, you want to make sure that the back is neat. Although the back really does not count, but you just want to have something very neat and nice. So this is what the back of your gele should look like, be it on your client and on yourself. But as for me, my gele is this. I have so many twisted parts of her gele on the back of her head because my gele is very long, lengthy, is very long. so I had to just keep twisting and twisting until I pinned it. So I'm done with our gele right now. I'm just going to make sure that I arrange the pleats properly so that it gives me what I want, and then she's good to go. I love you guys so much. I do hope that this tutorial was helpful. If it was in any way, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do that. I really want us to grow. Thank you all. You guys have been so supportive and I love you all so much. Thank you all. But if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do that so that we can grow and we can have more people. Thank you all so much. If you've not turned on your notification button, do that so that each time I post, you'll definitely be the first to know. I love you guys so much and I just can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.